Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Mr. President.
Well done, guys. Well done. We're very proud of you. I'm very happy. Remember all the time, keep your heads down. Don't get carried away. We are still going very fast. So shown a lot of professionalism. You see, ASEC Mimosa has a big history in the Champions League. We haven't lost. One important thing, we have not conceded a goal. That's a positive. We have also scored. I want us to go to Ivory Coast with a positive mind. Go there, play, respect the opponent, but play without fear. Just go there and enjoy the game. We have the capacity to score there. Remember, the first time, I think, was it 2-3 years ago? African Stars came. I think we lost away 2-1, remember? But we beat them here 1-0. We qualified. So the away goals are very important. Then they pitted us against Simba. I think everybody had written us off. Oh, Simba, is advanced the Champions League. They came here. We were unfortunate. I watched those games. They of course, on video. We were just unfortunate. We drew 2-0 here. They scored in the last minute. We went to Tanzania. We were leading. Just unfortunate again in the last minute. We conceded. But we never lost. But you see, on aggregate 3-0, we went out. That shows the pedigree of this club. So you need to have self-belief. We are behind you. The country is behind you. You are not playing just for yourselves alone. You are playing for the nation. This is a footballing nation. We cannot afford, to have two slots at continental level. Just one club in the Champions League, one club in the Confederation Cup. It's not good enough for a country of this magnitude. Let's start soldiering on from the word go. You have our full support. President, please, I think you just confirmed with me that we made sure that you don't go through any hardship. We said we instructed our people, the competitions manager, that let's make it easy for Power Dynamos and Zesco United. And I'm glad I've gotten positive feedback that, they were very helpful in all aspects. We still have a long way to go. Let's go to Ivory Coast with a positive mind. So anytime, our doors are open 24/7. We are doing it for the nation. We are desperate. Let's have the belief. Go to Ivory Coast with a positive mind. Let's not go there with a negative attitude because we are leading 1-0. For me, so if we try to press a bit, I think I could see that they panicked a bit. But it's football. They are an experienced side. Let's be proud of what we have achieved. We have won. It's not a small side. ASEC Mimosa is a very big side. I think that's why Yaya Toure came from this club. So they have got links, I think, with Manchester City. So it's not a small club. But otherwise, we are very happy. We are proud of you boys. Don't get carried away. Keep the fitness. Fitness is what is key. We need to keep the fitness. I've been following. I'm proud of Power Dynamos management. The sponsor. I think in terms of preparation, Power Dynamos has done what is supposed to be done. You have really done what is supposed to be done. We can't complain. Now let's transform that on the pitch. One step at a time, guys. This victory is water under the bridge now. We go to Ivory Coast with a positive mind.